Another day, another story. Welcome to the session on A Master's Guide to Digital Photography in 10 Easy Steps. The advent of digital photography has greatly improved our ability to record and share precious moments. Mastering the art of digital photography is an ongoing process that may be pursued by anybody, from enthusiastic amateurs to seasoned professionals. Here we'll go over 10 of the best ways to improve your digital photography skills and take pictures that pop. Number 1. Educate yourself on your tools. Knowing how to use your camera to its full potential is essential. Spend some time reviewing the user manual and trying out different options to get the most out of your gadgets. Learn to adjust the ISO, aperture, shutter speed, and white balance settings since they have a profound effect on your photographs. Number 2. Think about your composition carefully. Thinking carefully is crucial because it will be what viewers first notice about your photos. Look into the use of symmetry, leading lines, and the rule of thirds as compositional tools. Think about where your subjects will be standing about the backgrounds and other objects in the frame. To make your photographs more engaging, try taking them from a variety of heights and distances. No. Point 3. Learn to control the light. Good lighting is crucial for each shot. Acquire the skills to make the most of both natural and artificial lighting. Consider the light source, intensity, and direction carefully. Use the golden hour and the blue hour to your advantage, and think about employing diffusers or reflectors to moderate the intensity of the sun. 4. Sharpness and focus are essential. Attractive photographs are sharp and focused. Learn how to use the autofocus features of your camera and get in the habit of focusing precisely. If you want greater precision, try switching to manual focus. When shooting portraits or landscapes, depth of field is very important since it influences how crisp your subject is about the backdrop. Number 5. Use a tripod and stabilization. Using a solid tripod or other stabilization gear is essential for capturing clear photographs, especially in low-light circumstances or when using a long exposure. As a result, you may compose your shots more steadily and with more precision. If you're serious about photography, you should spend money on a sturdy and adaptable tripod. No. Point 6. Branch out and try new things. Don't only shoot in one style or genre. Try your hand at many types of photography, such as landscape, portrait, street, macro, and animal photography. The obstacles and rewards of writing in different genres are different. Taking up new areas of study is a great way to broaden your knowledge and get fresh insights. Number 7. Processing methods after the fact. The post-processing stage is crucial to digital photography. Get comfortable with image processing programs like Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop. Master the fundamentals of editing by playing around with exposure, color, cropping, and improving the finer points of your images. Always strike a balance between over-processing your photos and leaving them as is. Number 8. Follow photographers. Follow photographers whose work excites you, participate in photographic groups, and sign up for classes to improve your skills. Communicating with other photographers allows you to pick their brains, hear their stories, and improve your work. To improve as a photographer, it is important to work with others, take part in challenges, and read critical feedback. Number 9. Perseverance and patience. Developing your photography skills requires time and effort. Be patient with yourself and commit to frequent practice. Accept setbacks as stepping stones to success and keep trying new things. Keep pushing yourself to learn new skills and create your distinctive approach. No. Point 10. Hone your eye for art. Before you can become a master in digital photography, you need to master the technical aspects. Use art, nature, cinema, and life itself as springboards for your creative endeavors. Observe the world around you and train your eyes to find the extraordinary in the mundane. Create a unique aesthetic that embodies your originality and viewpoint. To sum up, being an expert digital photographer requires a commitment to lifelong learning that integrates technical expertise, creative insight, and dedicated practice. You may improve your photography abilities, take more beautiful pictures, and create more engaging visual narratives by following these 10 guidelines. Do your best to let your personality come through in your photographs by taking some risks and relaxing into the creative process. Come back to my channel, Mind, Body and Heart, to learn more about such topics on skill development. If you like the video, please click on the like, subscribe, and share buttons. Thanks for watching.